So friends, this is backup part 3 here, and how take backup, how many type of backups, and why give why take backup, and different type of files, how backup. So what's my part backup part 1 and backup part 2. So this is video backup part 3 here, and I'm showing you more advanced technologies type backup using system and options here, because this is very helpful for every computer user, and this is one type of store your data, other side, other your disks, other folders, computers, other side, your pen drive, and maybe sometime your operating system crash, your hard disks crash, your data maybe delete. So you can record these type settings here, and continue this backup part 2 settings continue. So watch my backup part 2 last my previous video. So this is backup part 3 inside next these settings here. So let's start. And you can see here second time I'm take backup here. So this second time I am not take a user backup here. I'm just take backup only my folders and files here. So first I'm just check my backup here. So I like only this Android download, and next again but again I'm just showing here. So you can see include our system reserve system and drives here first time, and these folder backup here. These review your backup settings, and you can save. So that means your last backup did not completely successful because you have no backup space here. So that means your backup. So my backup is start here, you can see just here, and complete my backup after, you can see just my completely showing here. So first check here, and going these you can see just my name here, PC name, okay, and restore option. This type of right click open and click on double click, showing this type of window only. So you can take your restore files and folders original form, original original size. So manage user by backup and restore file all of this computer. So restore my file from this backup, and this restore file all of user of this computer. So all user, that means all user restore your files, and manage page here. So click on manage page, and you can see just showing me information, and these options here, and refresh and click on, you can see just my how many I have space, 3 page. So I'm again restore my files, my original data, original form, and the browser folder, and I'm just first check time duration, okay. So backup of my these systems here. So you can see last backup is 27/18/49. So you can see this my backup systems, and backup scheduled by take backup my document here. So first click on, you double click and check first my data. So this I complete my backup here, add folder, and next, and select your location where you put your your locations of your data main saving here. So original not location, but I'm select my location, and this PC in my select my computer because I'm select other my partition to store this here, and you enter any hard disk showing here partition here. So I have only one hard disk and click on here and partitions this my completely restore partition restore of my data. So backup size 2 to 1.40 KB is very small my computer backup document. So I'm just showing first you have a lot of GB, just like 25 GB, so take a backup more time, and you restore so take more time. And minute space, why give minute space? Because I have no more space my partitions here, so I'm already take these backup my original files here, you can see just here, and these original files to another my partition I'm store by Windows backup other partitions here. So this my NKTF, this my partition, you can see. Okay, and complete my restore my files and folders, so you can restore from here and restore directly from other side. So restore means this is a restore of your system for through same work here, same options showing me here. And restore is one type of you can you how many type take backup. So you have take backup. So first check your data and take original recover your folder. Okay, so that means it is very important. So sometime your backup you have no idea anything where my put my how many lot of data, so that time is very important, and check your data and recover your data here. So remember your data documents and name. So this is my backup data showing me here again, and you can see. So first open you select your location of your backup, and second window open select your data for your your data of your files, and this is a very important for your computer. So location your data and your data of your locations of original size recover time, this is a very important. So I'm just showing you here. So you take files of very large file, or and you have no anything space, so sometime error give, that means you can see just my f is a take my my again my this is my partition of my data backup here. So this is a very important for computer, and you can see just, so sometime is very important. So I'm already talk about you take backup option. So first open you click on backup options here. So you have more space. Okay, just I'm give example 5 GB you have data take backup. So 7 GB free space on your computer, you take backup 25 GB data, so you have must 27 GB free spaces. And uh, good some engineer they have two type hard disks. One is working hard disk, second is backup hard disk, that means take backup here. So backup hard disk always not take you backup automatically. Scheduled backup means you automatically take backup, and your size automatically. So create a system image and create a system repair disk. So create a system image means your sometime your operating system corrupt, your computer not start, and this is all of operating system take backup here. That means settings, your folders of your applications, your software, anything you. So all of these you can see system image is copy of your drives required of Windows to run. It can also include additional drive. System is image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or computer ever stop working. However, you cannot choose individual items to restore. So this backup you have must two hard disks. One is store your backups, save your backup, and second is your take your this is my this is my all of not partition only, not take partition. I can take partition backup, but I'm just talking about only all of operating system. So all of operating systems partition, Windows partition C only. So Windows partition inside some installed files, installed software, and installed your operating system. So maybe sometime your operating system corrupt, again to restart your computer, and again restart with your other computer. So that means you can start your restore uh, your backup, and same exit it you have back your computer operating systems here. So that means your computer is a very give a fault runs mean your sometime your fail your computer. So this backup you already take. So again you start your computer here. So same to showing your this backup, and same you not need again install your software. Sometime your technician take more money for your restart again your computer. So how can we using, because this is a backup, you have give one type of this all of our data automatically restore. You maybe take all of this system take image backup means all of take backup image files here. So you can see just here. So this is not using directly. You have must two hard disks, and one hard disk take backup here, and one hard disk you already store your your system files here. So you can see this is my, I have no other system, but I'm just showing you only. I have no other hard disk, but I'm just showing only this type backup. So how can we take backup all of our operating system? Operating system is very important for your computer, because your depend all of software, all of your computer, all of contacts depend on operating system. So how can we take backup? I will next video continue. So thanks for watching, and showing you how working next settings here. So watch my videos really important for you, because the backup part for inside different available in these last these settings continue in backup part 4 here. So watch my videos part was here, because this is very important for your systems, and continue these in this part 4. So thanks for watching my video. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on share, and share your friends and my video. So this is very helpful for your and every computer users, control panel and other Facebook related you want information, and other computer hardware, computer network, anything, any field you want information. So watch my playlist, and you can watch every my video podcast here. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.